uthando lwasemshadweni alifani nalolu lunye uthando. Uthando lwasemshadweni is commitment more than feelings, because feelings are not permanent. Feelings come and go. Feelings are based on how you feel at the time, based on the events around you. So as events changes as inkula, nama feelings azoshintsha. Manje makushintsha ama feelings uzowenza njani kuzo? Angisamthandi nje umboma kadesho. Uzuthi angisamthandi nje useyangibhora usenjani. So bese caca ukuthi umshado it a series of decision making, but then a result into a permanent commitment. And understand that leyo commitment yala emshadweni ukuthi ayimile ngemizwa ukuthi uzizwa kanjani, how do you feel at that moment. Imekuthen cha lo muntu angisamthandi kodwa hayi lento ayizelela ekhaya uyayenza. And iyona yenza mina naye sebekhoma nami ngiyizele kuye ngisayenza. And if we understand ukuthi abantu behlangana ngokuthandana ngeprojection eumshado fanele bazi ukuthi khona into okumele ibe bigger than them. Imi ngekho into bigger than you kuzoba easier ukuyisa ilokhuzana ibe.
Umuntu esifazana ngaligani Muslim namkho umfica vele kanje wayekhorasa uma ngalo lento bazana sesikhorasela yona yenze njani manje bayakwazi uadapta. Intombazane ingafika isindiswe la 11 years ihambe yoshada kahle ukuthi ayifice yenza nje uma ngathi useyakwazi nokwenza easy for yena to adapt. I problem yinayo inkunzi enamakhoniti ehambe yalanda umuntu engazi ukuthi ibimlandela ntoni. That is why we should be frustrated imshiyela ekhaya iyakuphuma ephandle ngoba there is a connect that is not met at home, but there is a woman. Why did you bring the woman at home? I don't know.
Before ngidlulele kwesinye isigaba ngiyathanda nje bafundisi bami ukuthi inganivalele ngaphandle kuyo le mhlambe babumboma if you want to add something then bese ngiyakufundisa uNtanda.
Okay, yeah, I agree to a certain measure. Yeah, because siya debate la. Okokuqala. Yeah, asuva abesuva yonke into. Ungacabanga ukuthi masiphikisa ungacabanga ukuthi silwa nawe cha. Sizokuqondisa kwase nawe. So